Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Let us reflect on Surah Ash-Shura, verse 20. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, Man kana yuridu harth al-akhirati nazid lahu fi harthi. Whoever is interested or whoever desires the harvest of the hereafter, nazid lahu fi harsihi, we increase for him in his harvest. وَمَنْ كَانَ يُرِيدُ حَرْثَ الدُّنْيَا نُؤْتِهِ مِنْهَا. And whoever is interested or whoever desires the harvest of this world, we give him some of it. وَمَا لَهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِن نَصِيبٍ. And Allah at the end mentioned, however, the one who is interested only in this dunya, the one who is interested only for material things, Allah said, for that individual, there is no share on the day of judgment. My brothers and sisters, Allah uses the word here, harvest, which is very interesting word and relatable to our life. You know, you only harvest when you plant something. You don't expect any crops without effort or without planting, you know. And same is the case with our life, my brothers and sisters, because on a daily basis we are planting something in our life in form of time, sacrifices, effort, etc., etc. We are planting something in our life on a daily basis. So my brothers and sisters, the question that we need to ask to ourselves is that it's not that how hard we are working. The question is not that how hard we are working. The question is that what are we working for? My brothers and sisters, because there are some people who only work for this dunya. And subhanallah, how beautifully Allah mentioned that nu'tihi minha. That even if you are working for this dunya, if comfort is everything for you, if money or status and power and wealth is everything for you, Allah said no problem, nu'tihi minha. We will give you some of it. Subhanallah, look at how Allah chooses the letter in the Holy Quran, my brothers and sisters. Allah said that your effort might be 100% when it comes to this dunya. Your effort might be 100%, but you get 50% result. Your effort might be 100%, but you get 70%. It's never 100 and 100. Subhanallah, when it comes to this dunya. But look at on the other hand what Allah mentioned. He said, Man kana yuridu harth al-akhirati nazid lahu fi harsihi. He said, whoever is interested in the hereafter, Allah said, we increase in his harvest. We increase whatever he is doing. One good action is multiplied, my brothers and sisters. Hence the reason in Islam, you know, when we make good intention, although we couldn't perform that particular action, still there is reward. Why? Because our intention was for the hereafter. So here is a very beautiful, you know, comparison, dunya versus akhirah. Allah is describing here and trying to teach us that what matter the most. Because always remember, you may win in this world, but there won't be any share for you on the day of judgment. So the message is that, my brothers and sisters, that being at loss in this world is better than being at loss on the day of judgment. And subhanallah, what a scary ayah at the end. وَمَا لَهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِن نَصِيبٍ. Allah mentioned, if you are only working for this dunya, no problem. We will give you, but don't expect anything on the day of judgment. So we have to choose what we want, dunya or akhirah. Allah didn't deny dunya. Allah said we will still give you, but our goal should be main, and which is the hereafter, the day of Qiyamah, the day of judgment. We make dua that Allah Almighty include our name among those who work for the hereafter. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.